everyone, I'm just sharing with you a really quick and simple card to make. Those of you that subscribe to me know I like quick and simple. Using Julie Hickey's new release. It's a brand new release called Sent With Love. And this is just one of the stamp sets from it called Birthday Blooms. And then her stencil, which is called Backgrounds #1. So if I just show you, just, you know, when you just look at something and think, that's what I'm going to do with it. So I've taken, let me just move this out of the way because I had a little play with it before. This is my Wow Superior Smooth cardstock that I like to make my cards out of. So I'm just going to make that into a 10-fold card. So all I've done is taken the A4 sheet and cut it in half lengthways. And then I'm going to position this, I'm going to use this bit and I'm going to position this on here and then I'm going to offset it. So if I put it about there, I'm sort of lining up with that. And I'm going to go in and grab some Catherine Paula Sea Gloves. Oh, one thing I will say, if you feel, because there's other bits on here, if you feel you need to, you can always just do this with it. Just mask it off a bit so you know you're not going to get other bits, other patterns coming out on it. So let's just start blending some ink in. So this one is Sea Glass. Grab a little bit more, it probably needs a refill. Now you can do it. See, I like it like that. Can you see where it's sort of like a bit deeper there and then deeper over here? So it just gives it more definition. So then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use the Bay Breeze. So I'm going to offset this and I'm just going to bring this down. Shall I go there? Shall I do that much? No, I think I'll go about there or so, and then I'm going to pick up my Bay Breeze, which is a deeper colour. I always like darker colours on the bottom, don't know why. And then you can just go over this, so that will blend into there and give you another colour because you're blending the two colours together. I could have put a little bit of tape across there as well if I don't trust myself. So just blend, blend, blend. Have a little lift. I like that. Just get a little bit more in there. I love that. Love, love, love. So you can do that with all of these patterns on here. So let me just move that out the way. Then I'm going to take the Birthday Blooms stamp set. So let me just bring in me Misty and me stick and stamp mat is in here already. So I am going to, I could probably do this in a two for one. Let me just pull that off and then I'm gonna align that. Oops. No, do you know what? I'm gonna do this one first and shall I? Hang on. What have I got? Love, kisses and birthday wishes. Happy birthday to a truly wonderful friend. Hope your birthday is full of love and laughter. See, I like love, kisses and birthday wishes. So let me just make sure that is lined up. That looks pretty good, and you can use your grid lines on the top here to just see it. Okay, so I've done them together because I'm going to do them in the Juniper Mist. So just ink those up and assuming The stamps are exactly the same depth. They should stamp okay. So with Catherine Paula inks, you want to give them a time to just sort of absorb into the card. Ta-da! See, that looks so pretty. And then just to finish it off, I could just leave it like that. Let me just put that out the way. But then I thought, no, if I use my glossy accents, I might need to give it a little poke. Oh, this has seen better days, this one. It's on its way out, I think. If you haven't got glossy accents, something like diamond glaze, I'm just going to do, let me just try and get this. Oh, I've got to get it started. Little minky. Come on, you. This is my pin I just put in down the side for moments like this. I should have made sure it was working before. It's not going to, it's blocked, isn't it? Actually, I can see the bit in there where it's blocked. Oh, I've just pushed it back in. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing it back down and then bringing it back out again. Let me see if I can entice it. Okay, so I finally managed to squeeze it, and I'm just going to do little dots on these little tendrils. I'm not sure what you'd call them. You're probably not even going to see this on camera. Does look pretty though. Dot, dot, dot. And then I'm just going to fill in the leaves as well. If when you've done it, if you get, it doesn't help that I don't wipe the top, does it? My own worst enemy. If when you've done it, you get tiny little bubbles, you can just poke them. And if you need to spread it about a bit, just use your little needle to do so, or your pin. And that's it. Look, so pretty. Let me just bring it up. You can see it a bit better, and then that will dry raised. It just looks lovely. Love it. So that's it. Thanks ever so much for watching. Really quick and simple card. Take care. Bye.